In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from BlockDAG, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. In order to withdraw from BlockDAG wallet, you have to upgrade your account to certain level. Once you upgrade your wallet, then open your BlockDAG compatible wallet. Make sure it is connected to the internet. Ensure you have the latest wallet version for optimal security and performance. Navigate to the send or withdrawal option in the wallet. Enter the recipient address, which should be your exchange or bank wallet. Then support the BlockDAG withdrawal and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double check the amount at recipient address to avoid any errors, as BlockDAG transactions are irreversible. Review the transaction fee. BlockDAG typically offer lower fees, but confirm the amounts to make sure it is fit within your budget. Confirm the transaction. Your wallet will display a transaction ID you can use to track its progress on a BlockDAG. So explore, wait for the confirmation. Withdrawal time may be vary on based on network traffic, but BlockDAG high-speed processing typically ensure a quick transfer. Once confirm the fund, it will be appear in your designated account, ready for use, and that's it. You are done.